of gears. Oh yeah.
Like your tire is still good, up until right there. Mine just dug in and. That was fun. In the first second of the descent, I ended up going over a stick, and that's where you board me go shit.
Yep, that'll slow you down.
Well, I was worried what's after it because I'm like, all right, everything's going fast. Grass is overgrown, and my tire gets caught, and I'm going over.
Side.
Like, ah! One thing I'm very much looking for. It's like I don't want my kids to grow up quick, but at the same time, I'm like, hurry up so A, you can help me with cars, and then B, I want to see them in sports.
Yeah, I follow you. So Alpina, they have a gymnastics team?
They got gymnastic classes, but again,
No
I
club
don't
or
necessarily want my kids in competitive gymnastics.
No? Okay. Even though your whole background is
That's my background. I had a world-class dad for a coach.
Yeah.
And I didn't have to pay.
Right.
Yeah, my gymnastics was also not an hour away. So okay, so combine all three of those.
Yep.
A, classes are ridiculously expensive.
Are they?
You gotta do 2 kids. So that's why like I'll let my kids enjoy open gym.
Oh, we got gravel.